If she stays and sings her song, I will love her winter long. If my winter bird won't sing, I'll find a new one in the spring. Morning's bright and night is black. I tried to sing my baby back. I sang until the seas turned red and feathers fell upon her bed. If she comes or if she goes, she remains her own, you know. Many love her as she wills, but her true name she never tells. I have sailed the desert sands, leather gloves upon my hands. I have walked the frozen seas and strangled on this mystery. Night is black and morning's bright. My lips are loose, my money's tight. If my morning bird won't sing, I won't buy her anything.